Hi everyone and welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 14 classic cars that are available on the market for next to nothing. Stay tuned for some fantastic deals. Number 1. The 1928 Ford Roadster, priced at $30,000. According to the seller, this 1923 Roadster is based on a total performance chassis and body. It is powered by a Ford Racing 302 GT40 crate engine mated to AC4 reverse manual transmission and a Ford 9 inches rear axle with 4.56 gears. The drivetrain also includes a NOS nitrous fogger system that feeds fuel to two Holley 450 CFM carburetors. The front end, suspension, and frame covers are made of polished stainless steel and chrome. The exterior features a multi-layered candy apple flame graphic with pinstriping and airbrushed detailing on the rear. The engine compartment features a triple chrome-plated shotgun-style scoop. According to the seller, the car runs well, drives smoothly, and has not needed any repairs. It has won numerous awards and is ready to show. Location: Rhode Island. Number 2. The 1930 Ford Model A, priced at $35,000. Maggie. This 1930 Ford is equipped with a 402 big block engine with an Offenhauser intake and dual Edelbrock carburetors. Exhaust is routed through long tube Hedman headers, and power is sent through a TH400 automatic transmission with AB and M4 shifter to a Ford 9 inches. Rear axle. The car rides on Rocket Racing wheels and Mickey Thompson Sportsman SR tires. Braking is by disc brakes up front and drum brakes in the rear. The steel body is painted bright red with white-hot rod-style flame graphics. The interior is upholstered in gray with bucket seats, custom carpeting, matching door panels, and Stewart Warner gauges. The car also features vintage air AC. The seller states that it blows cold. Location: Brighton, Colorado. Number 3. The 1934 Plymouth sedan, priced at $17,000. As noted by the seller, this 1934 Plymouth has an all-steel body with fiberglass fenders and suicide doors with rear hinges. Power comes from a 350 small block engine with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The front suspension is a Mustang 2 type with disc brakes, while the rear uses a GM10 bolt axle with drum brakes. Other upgrades include an aluminum radiator, new gas tank, new tires, and Flowmaster 40 Series dual exhaust. The interior features smoked glass power windows and a vinyl-covered roof. The seller states that this car was built relatively recently and that many of the components are new, down to the bolts. Location: El Paso, Texas. Number 4. The 1929 Ford Model A, priced at $19,000. According to the seller, this 1929 Ford is powered by a 1947 flathead V8 engine paired with a C4 3-speed automatic transmission. The rear axle is a GM dropout style unit. The exterior is a two-tone burgundy and black color scheme. The interior is red, in classic hot rod style. The seller states that the car runs and drives very well. It is described as a solid weekender and a head-turner. Location: Brighton, Colorado. Number 5. The 1934 Ford Coupe, priced at $32,500. This 1934 Chevy is powered by a 409 engine mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 9 inches rear axle with a nodular center section, strange axles, and a 4-bar suspension. Braking is provided by Willwood disc brakes on all 4 wheels, with a Heights front suspension and an Idiot steering column. The body features a 7-inch roof cut, suicide doors, a perforated trunk lid, and a copper bomber interior held together with over 2,000 rivets. The interior features new custom upholstered bomber seats, Stewart Warner black gauges, and a low car shifter. Mechanically, the car features stainless brake lines, a large transmission cooler, a 10-gallon fuel tank, a 650 double-pumper carburetor, and a March V-belt drivetrain. The car rides on a custom boxed frame and is said to run strong. Location: Frederick County, Virginia. Number 6. The 1932 Ford Model A pickup truck, priced at $20,000. According to the seller, this 1932 pickup truck is a fun build and drives. Powered by a 350 small block engine mated to a TH350 automatic transmission. The exterior is a clean gray, the interior is black. Although details are minimal, the seller states that the truck runs and drives very well. Clean title in hand. Location: Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Number 7. The 1934 Plymouth 5-window coupe, priced at $36,500. According to the seller, this 1934 Plymouth rides on a boxed double-decker frame with a coil spring rear suspension. It is powered by a rebuilt 358 Hemi engine mated to a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Modifications include a chopped roof, suicide doors, and a chrome front end with vintage-style Buick fin drum brakes and backing plates. Interior and exterior are not described in depth, but the seller states that this car was built for personal use, not for resale. No trades accepted. Seller open to best offer. Location: Comac, New York. Number 7. The 1934 Plymouth 5-window coupe, priced at $36,500. According to the seller, this 1934 Plymouth rides on a boxed double-decker frame with a coil spring rear suspension. It is powered by a rebuilt 358 Hemi engine mated to a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Modifications include a chopped roof, suicide doors, and a chrome front end with vintage-style Buick fin drum brakes and backing plates. Interior and exterior are not described in depth, but the seller states that this car was built for personal use, not for resale. No trades accepted. Seller open to best offer. Location: Comac, New York. Number 8. The 1928 Ford Model A, priced at $35,000. According to the seller, this 1928 Model A is powered by a 354 Hemi engine that has been extensively modified to displace 371 cubic in. The engine was built by Roslyn Performance for over $20,000 and is fully documented. Power is sent through a 700R4 automatic transmission built by Davis Transmission and mated to a Ford 9 inches. The front suspension is a Superbell axle and Willwood disc brakes. The braking system also features a Power Master cylinder. Other features include custom wheels and tires, a hand-built interior, and a clean exterior presentation. The seller states that the car runs well, but is being sold due to its age. No trades. Serious inquiries only. Location: Paso Robles, California. Number 9. The 1929 Ford Roadster pickup, priced at $14,000. This 1929 Ford pickup is powered by a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a fun-to-drive vehicle. No trades accepted. Location: Hernando, Florida. Number 10. The 1934 Chevrolet 3-window Master, priced at $60,000. According to the seller, this 1934 Chevrolet Outlaw has approximately 3,700 miles on the clock since its completion. It is powered by a 350 engine and a 700R transmission. The seller states that it was hand-built, has always been stored indoors, and has never been driven in the rain. The braking system is disc brakes on all wheels. The exterior is silver. The interior is white and gray. The seller is looking for serious local buyers only. Location: Delaware County, Pennsylvania. Number 11. The 1934 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $29,900. According to the seller, this 1932 coupe was built from scratch by his father with a fiberglass body. It has a manual transmission and has only driven about 500 miles. The exterior and interior are black. This is a custom car and the price is fixed. The seller is asking $30,000 or best offer, but is not negotiating on the price. One owner. Location: Nassau County, New York. Number 12. The the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air hardtop, priced at $26,000. Super and Pro. Super Pro. This street racer features a high-performance engine running on 110-octane racing fuel. It is street legal and has less than 1,000 miles on its current engine. It is painted purple with custom flame graphics and can run the quarter mile in about 11.50 seconds at high altitude. The original body is intact, and the car has a high-performance transmission and differential. Additional parts include bumpers, carburetor, wheels, and fuel tank. The interior is gray and the transmission is automatic. As the seller says, "Yeah, we drove it to church too." Clean title. Location: New York. Number 13, the 1966 Chevrolet C10, priced at $35,000. This 1962 Chevrolet C10 is equipped with a supercharged 454 engine mated to an automatic transmission. The truck has a Camaro front clip and a matching rear axle with disc brakes on all four wheels. The seller describes it as clean, fast, and loud, perfect for turning heads at car shows. The exterior and overall condition are described as very good. No trades accepted. Location: Harford County, Maryland. Number 14, the 1955 Ford Ranch Wagon, priced at $29,000. This 1954 Ford two-door wagon is a custom-line version and is powered by a 351 Windsor engine producing about 350 horsepower. Modifications include a 5-inch roof cut and shaved door handles. The front clip is a Mustang II from Fatman's Fabrication with 4-wheel disc brakes and a 3.25 Posey rear axle ratio. Under the hood, the car is equipped with Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, a performance camshaft, a polished intake manifold, and a manual choke carburetor. Other upgrades include a March accessory kit, alternator, air conditioning, power steering, and pulleys, a vintage air conditioning system, and a custom chrome Be-Cool radiator. The interior has been updated with a new black headliner, carpet, and door panels. The wagon rides on classic Hallebrand-style Michelin tires. A locker shifter completes the interior setup. The exterior is two-tone, green body with black roof. Location: Dutchess County, New York. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications.